Hey, good morning, Starfleet. This is Jennifer, and it's the top of the morning on a
It's
Saturday,
Sunday.
and we want to get some of these Easter baskets done. I have some that I've already done with boxes, so I just wanted to do a quick video on how to complete this little quick project. And it's a good way of saving money, and it is a even better way of making giving the effect of bigger for your basket. So with no further ado, let's get started. We have our box. I had already cut my paper and I've wrapped two sides, so it won't be such a long video. So you can see the gist of it. And we're just gonna take our paper here, fold and crease. We'll take the inside. Hope you guys are having a good day today. And then let's see how we want to do this. We're going to bring this up. Bring this up. Yes, the Easter baskets, the way that they're made, it's kind of awkward sometimes to create a basket and have it presented the way you like it, because it's kind of awkward to put the items in it. So let's see how we just crease this. I mean, it literally takes maybe a good, it depends on if you're a good wrapper. See, I like wrapping Christmas gifts, so this is fairly normal for me. And I like to use clear tape so you don't see that. Sometimes you get that other, like that transparent tape, and it'll look like a little foam.
Film.
So this is one side of the box. Let's do this other side. And you can use any type of wrapping paper that you see fit. Seasonal. And this is actually some wrapping paper that I got on clearance probably a few years ago. I had probably 30 rolls of wrapping paper. I haven't bought wrapping paper in a while. For sure not for Christmas. I'll pull this up here. Make sure our crease is tight. And hopefully this video will help someone either be creative or just to try something different, because you actually get a bigger bang for your buck, because you can make a bigger basket, and then you also have the illusion that is bigger than it actually is. That tape didn't go down the way I wanted it to. And now this is the last few pieces of tape for our box. Then you tighten up your edges so that they don't rip. I kind of tighten mine up here. And this just forms it better. And the only thing you need for this is tape, scissors, your box, and your paper. And then we have our box. Now we will fill it with this paper. Sorry for all the noise, but I'll get this filled and I'll be back. This is how it turned out, guys. Like, subscribe, share. Until the next video.